Baby, sleep. Let's sleep.
Leave me. You want me to sleep the same bed with you? You don't give a birth. It's almost 2 years now I'm married you. Not just a single baby. And you want me to sleep in the same bed with you? I can't do that. I'm going out. What should I do?
It's not my fault.
It's not your fault. It's my fault. Or it's my mother's fault. What do you mean? Come, listen to me. Note this. Pack your things. I said listen to me. Pack your heart. You are begging who? Who is that? You are that?
Hello, Daddy.
What's in our way?
I'm here to answer.
Okay, so I'm not going to
Baby, I will call.
no clothes away.
I'm here to know.
I'm sending $20,000 to me. I have a
Yeah.
$15,000. And about $1,000. And I'm sending cheap and then range over the training.
Okay.
And then some normally. Cheap for funding and the range over the month. Then I'm starting to work with them. I'm going to be a man in Santa. So that's what I can.
Okay, Daddy.
You think I'm asking? So I'm going to try to solve it. I'm going to get it. The person over there, you're going to try to have a shot in there. You're very careful. What is what I can.
Okay.
You're bye-bye.
Oh, baby. So it be like say your puppy send Jeep and Range Rover. Make you give me. Hey.
You said I should pack my things up.
Oh, I'm not saying pack your things and like go or that too. I talk say pack your things, make I go wash for you. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, so let me wash. Be fast, baby.
I should pack my things.
And let me wash. Baby. Pack it.
Okay.
I see. Hey, come back, baby. Move. Now, baby. Baby, I love you. You understand?
I love you too.
Okay. Oh, 20,000 US dollars. Hey, hey, baby.
Yes.
Pack your things so that I wash. Your panties, your brazier, everything. I will feel wash for you.